Great value for the swivel jack. These posts are awesome. I welded them to the side of my trailer with a cheap 90 amp HB welder. The process was super simple and the posts hold very well. It is very nice to be able to drop these legs and make the trailer super sturdy for walking in and out of. Really nice. Works perfectly. As strong as your weld. I use this on my commercial diesel-powered chipper and it works great. Perfect fit at half of the cost of a replacement from Timber King. If you need something that can handle tough environments, this is great. It is worth the money. While refurbishing our car trailer, we discovered the internal jack was too rusted to use. We decided to replace with the side mount jack and we aren't disappointed at all. Very sturdy, priced right and easy to install. It is solidly built and priced reasonably. Comes with a one weld-on connection, but you could make or buy on here. More weld-on mounting plates to put on your trailer. Or, anything up to 5,000 pounds that you would like to have a swivel sidewinder crank. It is geared pretty low, so takes a good bit of time to crank. Just right for me, but wanted to let you all know. Click link in description for more reviews.